W.F. House presents an unabridged recording of The Graphene Revolution, The Weird Science of the Ultra-Thin by Brian Clegg, narrated by Alister. 1. The sticky tape solution. Big science, little science. There was a time when a lone scientist or a handful of individuals working in a lab on a shoestring budget could achieve wonderful things. Think of pretty well any scientific discovery that was made before the Second World War, and you'll find that neither finance nor staffing were huge. However, it would be easy to think that the hot science subjects of the 21st century all require massive budgets and enormous teams. This book is about a subject that has shattered this assumption. Think back to the major announcements that were made in science since 2000. Early on in the century, the Human Genome Project published its results, with drafts from both the $3 billion public program and the $300 million private Solera program, released jointly in 2001 after many years of work. In 2013, the team working on the Large Hadron Collider at CERN near Geneva, often called the biggest machine in the world, announced the discovery of a particle consistent with a Higgs boson. The collider and the staff working on it have cost over $5 billion to date. Similarly, in 2016 and 2017, we have had a number of announcements of discoveries of gravitational waves made from the LIGO observatories, built at a cost of over $1 billion and with over 1,000 scientists worldwide involved in the project. And all of this is dwarfed by the funding that has been piled into the International Space Station, which has cost over $100 billion without a single major scientific discovery to its name. So what could two physicists working in Manchester, England achieve with a negligible budget, some blocks of graphite, and a few rolls of sticky tape? It would turn out to be rather a lot, perhaps the most far-reaching technological breakthrough of the 21st century to date. The development of ultra-thin materials that emerged from the Manchester work has far greater practical value than any of the multi-billion-dollar experiments named above, yet also contributes major steps forward in our understanding of both physics and chemistry. This is big impact, small science on a minimal budget. The city of Manchester has a strong reputation for scientific discovery, particularly when working on the atomic scale. It was there that John Dalton put forward his atomic theory that transformed our understanding of matter in the early 1800s. Nearly a century on, in 1900, Owens College in Manchester, soon to become part of the Victoria University.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?